Want to create sleek, modern forms for your website without any coding? Meet SureForms, a powerful and user-friendly tool that helps you build interactive forms in minutes. Let's dive in. First, let's install SureForms on your WordPress site. Head over to your dashboard, click on Plugins, add New, and search for SureForms. Install and activate it. Let's create a form. In SureForms, go to Add New, pick a template or start from scratch, name your form, and hit Create. I'll make a feedback form. It's super easy with the drag and drop builder. SureForms, built on WordPress's native block editor, offers an intuitive drag and drop form building experience. It includes CAPTCHA and consent checkboxes without needing third-party add-ons, unlike Contact Form 7. Use the drag and drop builder to add text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, and even file uploads. Customize labels, placeholder text, and styles to match your brand. In the Attributes section, you can easily customize each field's settings, including error messages, subtext, and required field options. Next, adjust the settings. Under the General tab, configure email notifications and confirmation messages. Don't forget to add a CAPTCHA field and enable compliance settings. In the form's advanced settings, you can enable anti-spam features to help prevent unwanted spam messages. Before choosing the security type, ensure your API keys are configured. Ready to go live? Simply copy the form's shortcode and paste it into any page or post, or use the SureForms block in the WordPress editor for a seamless experience. And that's it. You've successfully created a modern professional form using SureForms. Give it a try today and elevate your website forms. Let's test the form and check the email data in our inbox. That's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and latest WordPress plugins.